So now let's update the record. So when you update the record, we need to check the condition whether the user has uploaded a new file, want to replace the existing file or not. Okay, so you need to check that as well. And we also, suppose if user has uploaded a new audio file, then we have to remove the existing file from the folder as well, from the directory as well. So we'll be also working on that. So first here we have to go here and we need to specify the method that we're going to use to update the record. So we are going to use the put method. So method underscore field is put. Okay, and you know we have this name route. So now let's go here and let's work on this. So first I'll write a ringtone, and then I'll find the record that I want to update, and this is the record I want to update, and then I'll find the existing file name of record in the database, and that I can get as like this. Similarly, let me get the format. So format, and this is the ringtone and formats, FRMAT format, and similarly size equals to ringtone size. So this is the condition when user is not going to upload the new, or not going to update the file. Okay, not going to upload the file. So but if user has uploaded the new file, then we have to have a different condition. So here I'll write if request has file and the file, so its file name is file in the ed.blade.php. You can see that it's the name file, so we have to write a file and open and closing braces here. And now what to do is I'll copy everything from here, because this is the code to move the stuff there. So here I'll copy from here, and here I'll copy here, and then an update here I'll paste just below here. Okay, so I'll paste here, and if the request has file, then here will be the file name. So I'll format this little bit. So first let me copy this. Only I'll copy this much just to move the new file. I'll copy this and then I'll paste here. So if user has uploaded the new file, then it would be like file name, format, size, request. So if user has uploaded a new file, then we'll have a different file name, we'll have a different size, and we'll have a different format, right? So in this condition we need to update those things, right? And we have to delete the existing file as well from the directory. So what I do, I'll write on link to delete this. So I'll write on link, LINK, on link. And for on link, here is in the public path I have the audio folder, so I'll write a public underscore path, and here public underscore path I'll write /audio audio, which is my folder, and here I'll write dot, and then file name that I want to delete is this one. So I'll get this one, and then I'll delete this. Okay, so I'll delete the old file if I have uploaded the new file. Okay, and now let's copy this. Now I'll copy this stuff here, and I'll copy this one, and then here, just below here, I'll paste this one. So now we're getting title, we're not updating the slot. So, and description we're getting the category. Okay, so now user has not uploaded a new file. Then if the user has uploaded a new file, then we'll have this format, and if user has not uploaded a new file, then we'll have this format. Similarly, same for the size and same for the file. So if user has uploaded a new file, then the file name will be this one, but if user has not uploaded the new file or audio, then this will be the default file name. We'll be using the default file name here. Okay, so one more thing here is we have to get the download also. So number of downloads, so let's get download, and here I'll write a request and download. So this is the previous download, and if user has uploaded a new file, then we have to set that download as a 0. Okay, because new file may not, because file is completely changed. That's why we need to make download 0. Otherwise it will be the existing download. So here now I'll write download ringtone download equals to $download. So if user is uploading or replacing the old file with the new file, then download, in the download field will have a 0 download. If not, then we'll have the existing download. I think this is all good. Now you have to write ringtone updated successfully. And one more thing is that we need to do the validation here as well. So the validation is, I'll copy this stuff and then I'll paste here in the request. So I'll do here and I'll paste over here. And in this case we don't need to validate file, because file can be empty. If file is empty, then that will be the existing file. So now let's see this. So I'll refresh this. So maybe spelling wrong here. So it's the method underscore field. So let's go here and method underscore field. So it's the method underscore field, and let's refresh this. Now let's do. So this is the first ringtone one. I'll give this one and I'll give this one, and I'll choose a different file this time. So I'll choose the OSMS and I'll make this as funny SMS. Okay, and submit this, and you can see ringtone updated successfully. And if you go here in the ringtone, and if you see here, this ringtone is now 111 is updated successfully, and new download is set, that is 0, and category ID is 4, and category ID 4 is you can see this is the SMS. And if you go here, then our audio is replaced. Okay, so now again let me update a second time again. So I'll make this one and this, and I'll update. And now I do not want to update the file. Okay, so let me update, and this is updated even I do not upload the file. So, and everything is fine here. So if you go to ringtone, so everything should be fine here. Now let's go to here ringtone, and here now I have a different file, and if I play, this is a different file. So in this video we updated the ringtone, and in the next video we'll delete the ringtone. So I'll see you there.